This is what it looks like when you open it. This is everything in the box. Firstly, we have the actual camera. It's quite heavier than I thought, and it has like the instructions on here. And then we have the protective cover, and then we have the mic. I think this is, I don't know what this is. The mic fluff and the wrist strap, and then the tripod. I think this is the charger, the battery mount, and then just the wide angle lens mic magnet. I'm gonna buy this first before turn this on. This package. The lens and screen protector. And then I just got the VT Cosmetics Riedel Shop. It comes with 4 wet wipes, 2 screen protectors, 2 lens protectors, dust absorbing stickers. The first step is to put the SD card in. I bought the SanDisk Extreme Plus 256 gigabytes. I don't know how to put it in here. I'll take this off. I successfully stuck. Now I'm gonna stick it on the lens. Whoa, what? English, so I have to skip. So I'm just connecting it on the app. So going through the tutorial. It's so cool, and then I can see I'm gonna try the mic. So I'm gonna film like a proper vlog using this tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the gym 6:38. I'm back from the gym. My hair is wet. So I'm in the living room actually because it's so hot in my room. Today is like 40 degrees. I'm just logging in. Today is my last day of work. I'm just gonna make some coffee, and these are the beans I'm using at the moment. My coffee. It's 10:19. Still waiting for the laptop because I have to box it in here. So I'm just testing the mic. This is noise cancellation. It's 11:49 and I just got my laptop picked up. I'm officially unemployed. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I have some green smoothie. I'm getting ready right now. I just took a nap. I am going to have dinner with my friends. I'm all ready. Wearing this dress that I always wear when it's really hot. Maybe I will wear this one. I got for my birthday a couple years ago. It's a Tiffany & Co. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Oh, you can see your face.
So we are at...
Wait, I don't know what's going on.
We don't know what to order.
This is so fun. This is my new 장난감. When did you buy it?
like the face is like pretty.
I don't know if they have.